All right, guys, we got us a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee V6. What is it, 3.7, I think they are? 3.6. 3637, one of those. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters up there and up there. Then it comes with a suitcase muffler in the middle. We took it off and did a custom vibrant system on it. So we had to do a custom wide pipe, as you guys can see right there, into a vibrant muffler right there, part number 1792. There'll be a link in the description. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and did a rear resonator delete into a 5-inch black tip just to complete the look of it. Came out really nice, really clean. As you guys can see right there. There's the bottle style, not the bottle. There's the muffler and resonator that we cut off right there. That's how they come. That's what it looks like. It took about 50 pounds worth of weight off of it too. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that sounds good. What do you guys think? Let us know. That sounds really nice. Here's sound test. 115. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds really nice. Grand Cherokee. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Vibrant.